Today, we are going to do a crashing contest with my Thomas and Friends trains, and we're also going to do an introduction about my Thomas and Friends trains. Whoever wins the contest in the crashing competition wins this trophy. Let's start our introduction now. I'm going to first start with Harvey. Harvey's a red engine that has the number 27. It has a cool maroon color and also a very cool hook. You see it? It's right here. And on the hook is his number. Now, let's move on to Thomas. Thomas is a number 1 engine, and what he does usually every day is he pulls Annie and Clarabelle around Sodor, so passengers can travel around Sodor. His color is blue. Now we're done with Thomas, so I'll put him to the side. Now we're going to go on to Gordon. Gordon is a blue engine with a number 4, and he pulls the express. He's a tender engine, that's a fact, so that means his number is on his tender. Now I'm putting Gordon to the side because we're done with him. Henry is a green train, and he has the number 3. He's also a tender engine like Gordon, so he also has a tender where the number is. And I don't know what he does. Well, I forgot it, I think. Now we're moving on to Spencer. Spencer is a silver train that I don't know if it has a job, but he doesn't have a number at all. He just has a name tag here. It's red and it says Spencer. Now we're going to move on to Emily. Emily is a dark green engine that doesn't have a number, just like Spencer. It's also a tender engine. And I didn't inform this, Spencer's also a tender engine. And Emily doesn't have a number. It's just like she is a plain tender, just like Spencer as well. Emily's job is pulling the scrap to the scrap yard every day. Now we're going to move on to James. James is a red engine that's also a tender engine and has the number 5. James pulls the cattle every day. Our next train is Salty. Salty is a red engine, another red engine just like James and Harvey, that works at the docks. He's not a tender engine, and his number is a big one, trust me. It's 2,991. Now we're done with our introduction. Now let's start up with our crashing contest. And just like I said, whoever wins the crashing contest gets this trophy. And these are all the engines that are competing. I'm putting these to the side because I don't have an odd number of trains, but I think they're low on battery. So here are our contestants. They are Salty, Emily, James, Spencer, Henry, and Gordon. This is not a speed contest, but it's a contest where one train crashes the other off the tracks. Like this. Here's a diagram how I'm showing it. You'll see all the other trains crashing in this whole video of how it shows when it's crashing, that one. Tracks. That means Henry wins. Now, let's start our crashing competition. First, we have James and Gordon. Get them on the tracks. First, get them on the tracks. Oh, Gordon turned off one. And James gets crashed and he's out. We'll put James right there. Now we have Spencer and Salty. Now they're on the tracks. See? 3, 2, 1, go. Just gonna... Oh, they didn't crash into each other, so we'll have to redo from here. Okay, that means Salty's a little faster, so let's swap sides instead. So we'll put Salty here and Spencer here. Oh, crashed. Let's put them. Oh, Salty crashed. And Salty's out. Now it's Emily and Henry. Whoa, Henry's real fast there. Let's just slow him down. And Emily's out. Now it's time for the finals. These are the ones that were out. Salty, James, and Emily. Let's now move on to the finals. This finals is pretty strange because there are 3 trains. So we're going to first do every train versus the other train each time. Which train wins the most is the winner. So we'll first start with Spencer and Gordon. Three, 2, 1, go. Oh, Spencer got derailed. Oh, just fell off the tracks. I think that's a tie because they both fell off the tracks. Let's redo the match. So we're redoing the match because it was a tie. Oh. That didn't count because he went farther. Is there stuff held Gordon back? I'll just make sure nobody crashes here. That's a tie again. We'll leave this one for later.
Oh.
Now we're going to do Henry and Spencer. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Spencer turned off. Let's turn the lights on. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's just put this back here. Pretty still. There's a problem at the curve. Let's just see that again right here. From right here. We did think it was a tie. We'll just do it from here this time then. Oh, that's why this one keeps crashing. Oh, and Spencer's out. But Henry gets 1 win. Now we're going to do Henry and Gordon. Now we're going to put Henry this side and Gordon this side. I'll just wait for him to get back. Oh, and Henry's out. Well, he got one win and Gordon gets one. If Gordon can beat Spencer, then that means if Gordon can beat Spencer, then that means he wins. Slow. Let's just do it. He still can't catch up for some reason. I'll just do it like this then. Oh, and Gordon wins the competition. He beat both Henry and Spencer. Henry beat Spencer, but he couldn't beat Gordon. Gordon got 2 wins. Spencer got 0 wins, and Henry has 1 win. So, Gordon's the winner of our crashing contest for today. And again, I'll name all the trains. They were Henry, Salty, James, Emily, and Spencer. And this one's Gordon. So, Gordon wins our crashing contest for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please like to this video and subscribe to our channel. And please share.